Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 15th, 2025. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So two puzzles are left, the Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the binary puzzle number 9911. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me do this. This is a lot. I have a lot. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 22. Wow, that's a lot. Alright, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O, between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this came in an O. This should be a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's here, one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here in this column, so the rest are O's. Double check, 1, 2, 3, 4, correct in 2 minutes. We solve it again without comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.